Hi, my name is Maria. And in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Prostastream. But you need to pay attention until the end of this video to know the whole truth about the product. The first thing you need to know about the Prostastream is that it's sold only on the official website. And to help you, I'll leave the official website link for Prostastream here below in the description of the video. So, what is Prostastream and does Prostastream work? Prostastream is a new all-natural dietary supplement that improves prostate function and relieves BPH symptoms. All of this without the need for specialized prostate exercises or costly surgeries. Prostastream pills focus on repairing prostate damage and protecting it from cancer with the help of scientifically proven ingredients. It also works to rejuvenate and regulate prostate size. This improves the health of the prostate, reduces bladder problems, like having to go to the bathroom 99 times a day, and, in the long run, stops prostate cancer. Prostastream was made to help you start a new life by giving you a clean, healthy prostate that keeps you from having embarrassing moments again. It helps many men with prostate issues and urinary symptoms. According to their official website, the Prostastream ingredients are: Native Americans have been using saw palmetto berries for hundreds of years to treat benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. It promotes prostate health as well as urinary flow. A 2018 study looked at the effects of graviola leaves on 5 different cancer cell lines and discovered that they were effective against lung, breast, colon, pancreatic, and prostate cancer cells. Maitake, Grifola frondosa, which is one of the most well-known medicinal mushrooms, can boost the immune system and stop the growth of different types of cancerous cells. Reishi, Ganoderma lucidum, and Shiitake, Lentinus edoda, contain anti-cancer compounds and have traditionally been used to boost the immune system. Tomato fruit powder promotes prostate health and boosts immunity. South American Indians have used cat's claw, Uncaria tomentosa, for centuries to treat a variety of ailments. This herb can stop inflammation and protect cells from getting sick, which makes it great for the health of the prostate. Broccoli is a cabbage family member that is high in phytochemicals that aid in detoxification and neutralize oxidative stress. Green tea helps the immune system by increasing the production of white blood cells and their ability to fight infection. It aids in the relief of urinary symptoms and the improvement of bladder emptying. Selenium promotes thyroid function and can aid in the reduction of tiredness and fatigue. Vitamin E can help with prostate issues by preventing testosterone from converting to DHT. Vitamin B6 can help ease the symptoms of prostatitis, such as pain, trouble urinating, and pain during ejaculation. The combination of all of these natural ingredients in a Prostastream pill provides your body with all of the substances and ingredients it requires to restore your prostate and make it even better and smaller in size. Prostastream is a safe, natural supplement that works well and doesn't contain any harmful or addictive toxins or stimulants. All Prostastream capsules are made in the United States in a facility that is clean, FDA approved, and GMP registered. Prostastream can be used risk-free for 60 days with a full refund guarantee. I really hope this Prostastream review video helped you. So what are you waiting for? Just click on the link to the official website in the video description.